So I got this old sprocket. It's been taken off about, I don't know, 20 years ago. No, literally the last time it's been taken off. And then I got this concoction that I worked up. No, it's not pee, but watch what happens when I put this on here. Literally see it coming off straight away. All you need is a tire brush. Start scrubbing it in there a little bit. You know, I'm not pushing hard at all. Just getting it worked in there. That's all you gotta do. No pressure at all. Check this out. Frickin' comes right off.